Hey, what's up everyone? I got another unboxing for you guys today. I'm really excited about this one. I have some LED lights by Monster Smart. It's a pretty big unboxing. And I'm gonna show you guys how I turn my setup from this to this. These smart LED lights here are made by the company Monster. They're popular for making cables and those sort of things. The reason why I chose these three smart LED light products, they are smart LED lights on a budget. Now, all of these work with an app, and they also work on Wi-Fi, so you can control all of these lights at once and change them to whatever color you want. So I'm gonna go ahead, unbox each one, and we're gonna go ahead, install them, see how the app works, and give you guys a walkthrough. Check it out. First one I'm starting with to unbox will be the smallest box, which will be their neon light strip. This one here is very similar to Philips Hue's gradient light strip. It works for indoor and outdoor. It's multicolored LED, has multiple indoor and outdoor uses. Works on their app. It's called Monster Smart. It's also compatible with voice control. Works with Google Assistant, works with Alexa, and also works with Siri. It's also water resistant, so there are no issues if you put them outside in it. Alright, you got your quick start guide. Shows you how to set it up. You got your power cord. You also have the connector here where you can screw it in, so you don't have to worry about any water getting in. You have some mounts. And you got your LED light strip here. And you can tell right away this thing was built to be used outside. Feels really high quality. It's a really long cable too. I mean, something similar like this with Philips Hue or with any other company will easily go over $150. This one here only costs $40. Next product I have for you all is this Monster Smart Illuminessence orb. You can either hang it up, you can set it on the table, or it also has a handle, so you can just hold it with your hand. Indoor, outdoor. It's water resistant also. Pretty durable plastic right here. All plastic design. Got your power button, you got your reset button, and your micro USB port. You got your quick start guide also. Now this is the one I'm really excited about. This one here is like a nano leaf type similar product, but for a fraction of the cost. They call it Prism. There's a starter kit that comes with 4 panels, and you can just customize it any way you'd like. See some examples here. Let's go ahead and open this one up now. Got your design guide. Helps you figure out a way how to put them together. You got your quick start guide. Feels pretty hefty, pretty durable. You got your 3M tape here. This is actually the really good tape stuff, so once you stick it on, it shouldn't fall off. Hopefully. Alright, so you got your controller here. So you could change the color straight from here or from the app. Got your mounting hardware. Got your connectors also. And the AC adapter. So these are your 4 panels here. And you use these connectors here to connect them all together. And then plugs into your power right here. Okay, so we have all of our unboxed LED light products here. I'm gonna go ahead and get creative now, put them together in a way I like, and I'll go ahead and set up the app for you guys, and we'll see how it looks. I have the smart app open now. It's downloaded. So all I'm go ahead and do is go ahead and register and get these lights here connected to it. I got all of them already installed. We'll get it hooked up to the Wi-Fi and go ahead and test this app out. Alright, so I'm all registered. Now to add a device, hit this plus sign up here. It gives you instructions on how to reset the device to be able to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Alright, so it's blinking now. All right, and it automatically detected the light strip. Hit done. And there you have it. Now you control it through the app. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of the devices. Just hang on tight. All right, you got the app hooked up. You got all the lights connected. Everything's so nice and bright and colorful. For the prism here, you got your different scenes. Just choose whatever you want and it changes it automatically. Or you just have it just white. Go to your scene, set it to whatever you like. And all this, I mean, for a fraction of the cost of the Philips Hue products and the Nanoleaf products. Let's check out the LED light strip right here. Same scenes as the orb that's on the desk. It's really bright too. It's 16 feet long cable. So I think it'll be best for outside use. To use the whole length of it. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more future unboxing videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.